Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's SolidWorks tutorial, I'll show you how to create this modern faceted glass step by step from scratch. So we will be using features like Loft, Flex, Shell and Fillet to achieve this unique twisted glass design. So let's jump straight into the modeling process. Click on File, New, Part and OK. So first we would be creating the base profile, and for that select top plane, sketch. Click on circle, make a circle at the center, smart dimension. For the diameter value, enter 60 mm. Go to features, click on extruded boss base. 10 mm is fine, click OK. Now select the top face, sketch. Click on convert entities and exit the sketch. So our first profile is ready. For the loft, for the second profile, we will need a reference plane. So click on plane, select this face and enter 100 mm here. Click OK. Now select this plane and click on sketch. Select polygon and start from the center. Now select this side and make it horizontal. Select this circle and this circle, make them equal. Now exit the sketch, select plane 1 and hide it. Go to features, click on lofted boss base, select profile 1 and profile 2. Click OK. Now we will use flex feature for the twisted appearance. Type flex here, twisting, and this is the body, angle 150 degree, and click OK. Now select fillet. Fillet radius 10 mm is fine. Now select these edges one by one. OK. Now it's time to use shell. Shell thickness 1 mm. This is the face I want to remove, and multi-thickness setting I want to use 10 mm, and click this base. OK. So after shelling, now it's time to use fillet again. Click on fillet. 10 mm is fine. Click this bottom face. OK. Click on fillet again. This time change the fillet radius to 5 mm and select this bottom face. Click OK. One last time, fillet. Fillet radius 0.5 mm this time and select this top face. So as you can see on the screen, our glass is ready here, and finally we will add our transparent glass appearance to it for a realistic look. Click on appearance, glass, gloss, brown glass. Let's change the color. Click OK. Let's change the display style also. It looks nice now. And that's how you can create this stylish faceted glass in SolidWorks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.